Hi GT, hi Rizzler. I subscribe to your awesome channel. Thank you so much. Hi, hello, hello. Hi, 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 hi. Hello, hello. What's up? What's up? How's your Sunday going? I hope you guys are fine, enjoying. I hope you have a good day. I hope the same. How's your day going? I like. Thank you so much. My day is okay, not too bad. Thank you. Tea. What is tea? Tea. I subbed. Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. I don't know. Good. Good, good. You are a nice guy. Thank you so much. You are a nice person as well. Thank you very much. Anytime. Anytime. You're welcome to my stream. Okay. Hi mate, hi Sai. What do you like doing? I like many things. I like watching Wimbledon. I like watching cricket. I like going for a run. I like biking. I like playing cricket. I like playing new games. I like reading and watching lots of tech content. Breakup, yaar. What? I hope you are fine. You're also funny. I don't know. I feel like I'm unintentionally funny, which is okay, which is fine. Trying to be in a good space. Sure. What happened? What are you feeling? Tell me. We'll make some good fun uh, of something so that you'll feel good. Weight in heart, all I can express. I like people like you. Thank you so much. So you are feeling heavy? Let's try to make you feel light, okay? I'm back. Welcome back. Tell me a joke.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
Did you get this joke? My god, why you guys are so bad at joke? Like you can't crack a good joke. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did the apple get sent to jail? He was rotten to the core.
You are the best around. Thank you so much. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. You are incredible. Hope you are having a good day. Yep, I'm trying to have a good day. OMG, I get the apple joke. You got the apple joke? Okay. I hope you find it funny. Long time no see, the buds. Welcome, welcome. I'm streaming every day, man. Probably you are joining after a long time. Can't concentrate on anything as of now. Oh, I tried to make you laugh by cracking some jokes, AI jokes, but these guys are not doing a good job, so probably I'll come up with some new jokes. Haven't seen you until a while. Oh, okay, no problem. I'm here. I'm streaming every single day. So, welcome to my stream again. My name is Richard, and I'm sitting in the corner. I'm sitting in the corner playing my recorder. My parents really wanted me to become a lawyer. Instead, I'm sitting here playing my recorder alone. Until and unless you are feeling happy, it doesn't matter. If you are feeling happy with playing with the recorder, then it's good. Albina, welcome to my stream. How are you today? Do-do-do-do-do-do. Sorry, I got to go. Bye bye. Take care. The birds is saying do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Nice. Yeah, nice. So I have this pointer pointing to nums. And What is nums? I don't know. It's just a new variable. And then I have n. What is n? Again, it's a new variable because I can't see n there. Int output, int allocate n size of int. Baby shark, baby shark, mommy shark, mommy shark. Okay, bro, see you tomorrow again. I'm here, bro. Sai, one of the chat person is going. I'm here. Don't go. How are you feeling, bro? Sai, I can feel your pain. Hi, Sivu. Welcome to my stream. Yes, bro, I'm here. Please take care of yourself, okay? It happens, I know. Life gives you trauma, okay? But you have to take it and move on, okay? Gotta go. Bye, buds. Thank you so much for joining. How are you? I'm doing okay, not too bad. Thank you so much for asking. How are you, Sivu? I hope you are doing well. I'm good. That's amazing, you know. That's amazing. Unsigned m max element nums plus n const int m round max 1. Okay, let's try to understand this part. Because I'm trying to... What is grind's grind if his content isn't his grind? Very good question. My grind is different from my content. My content is all about my audience, okay? I'm grinding towards something which I never revealed to you guys, okay? It's professional and it's a different thing, okay? And when I'm talking about YouTube and live streaming, it's all about you guys, okay? Whatever you demand, I'm trying to deliver in my control, in my best possible way. But still, I see people, they are throwing hate for no reason. So I can't help it. They are understanding that my grind is my YouTube grind, which is untrue. My grind is not related to YouTube. Grind Machine, the name is for my real grind, real life grind, which I'm doing. I'm going through a lot, okay? And my YouTube thing is separate. I talk to you guys. I try to deliver on your entertainment value or your conversation value. We are holding a conversation here. So it's a different thing, you know. So what are we doing today? We are You say whatever you say. We are just chatting for now. Okay. Hello, Jess. Welcome to my stream. How are you? I hope you are having a good day, a good Sunday. So, what makes your Sunday better? So, for example, like, do you remember any Sunday which made you feel like, wow, you had the best Sunday ever, something like that? Do you remember something like that? Like, do you have something in your mind which you want to share? So, like, we can come up with some Sunday ideas, Sunday thoughts. Yesterday, I was seeing people uh, in garden. They were playing some games and they were enjoying. They were making loud noises. You can actually check on my yesterday's stream. It was quite interesting to see what they were playing. So yeah, I hope you are getting my point because I see no chat. Oh my god, it's super hot. Trust me, it's very, very hot out there. Very hot. Give 100% myself every time. After 6 years gap since my first breakup, I thought it wouldn't happen again, but somehow it ended just like that, like magic, and then nothing. See, my friend, if you are signing up for this beautiful life, be ready with unimaginable things. Okay, there are things which will happen and we won't be ready for it, but you have to accept it. I know the feeling, like it is so bad, super painful. You can't get over those memories, those time spent, those exchanges. You exchange your feelings with other person. I know how it feels. But you have to understand, if she is not yours, she's never meant to be yours. If you find a final person, you're going to marry that person, and hopefully, okay, if you come in that beautiful 50% of successful life partner scenario, then you are going to marry that person and you are going to live with that person forever. So if she is not your forever, and she was never yours, it was ultimately a bad chapter. Okay, because you invested 6 years of your life and that person was never yours. So instead of that, if you would have done something else in that time, it would have given you some output, some ROI, right? Let's say you would have done the same thing but with a different person, then also you would have got like different ROI. But it's not always about ROI, about feelings, about time investment. No, it's about luck as well. Probably you are having a bad luck again, and it happens with everyone. I know, like, once you are in that zone, you won't understand what's going around you. You feel so vulnerable, you feel so bad, your heart is so heavy, you feel like crying, you feel like, so many thoughts in your brain. But you should have some kind of escape to your current version. Okay, be it anything, not just your personal life, your relationship, but be it anything. If you have failed in big exam, if you have failed in cricket, if you have failed in your favorite thing, if you have done something for your country but it was not that good, and you're not ultimately recognized, or whatever that thing is, you should have escape plan. You should have something to do to distract yourself from the current failure. I know it's not your failure only, it's two people's life, right? But you should distract yourself, and even if you are not able to distract, you should learn what things are giving you that different zone where you're not thinking about this thing, you know so always think about something to do. Always think about something to do, which is I think I should stop all and disappear and grind. Yes, this is a very good escape plan. The best people who like had zero distractions, um, had come up with some really bad breakup or really bad family situation or financial burden. Many great legends came from that thing. So it's a good escape plan, the plan which I was talking about. So always consider yourself doing something which can give you more pleasure and help you forget whatever bad incident happened uh, in the past. And when I say pleasure, meaning it should be something which gives immense proud to your parents, and it should be meaningful, it should be impactful to your life, to somebody's life, to country, probably to state. I don't know, all problems you mentioned are in my life. See, this is the thing, this is the life, my friend. Life is never a smooth journey. Everybody is going through something. Everybody is going through something. So it's better to charge up and try to do positive. See, success or failure is not in your hand, okay? I don't know what I'll be doing after 5 years. You don't know what you'll be doing after 5 days. Nobody knows what is going to happen in next future. Whatever is in your control is your time. How you utilize your time. Let's say I have 24 hours and I'm sleeping 18 hours, and just 6 hours I'm watching some random shit and I'm not utilizing my time efficiently. Then it's not going to help. It's 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 not taking you to the direction where you want to go. You want to earn money, you want to earn respect, you want to do good things. Probably you want to become a biggest businessman or something. Then you have to take actions. There is a big saying, actions speak louder than the words. I know, communication is also a big part, but let's say you are not good at communication, you can always hire someone. There are many jobs, many personal assistant jobs. So ultimate goal is to do good for yourself, right? So keep pushing yourself in that, and try to find, first thing is try to find what you want to do. Like, what is your go-to, what is your go-to thing which you want to pursue for rest of your life? I can't concentrate throughout the day. Yeah, I can help you with that as well, you know. um, so first thing is try to it's okay. You don't need to directly start from tomorrow to concentrate on everything. No, it takes time. Concentration building is also a very long process. So what you need to do is you need to create a rule or mental model. In mental model, you can take, swear on your favorite person, favorite thing, favorite whatever, and stick to that thing. Okay, you say, okay, my time is going in this particular activity. I don't want to do that activity because whatever that activity is, it's bad for my future. It's mobile usage, screen time, or watching something, or you are hanging out with friends without any reason, whatever that is. You write down that activity and you train your brain that I will never do that activity. Now, whatever time you have, 5 hours, 6 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, doesn't matter. Whatever time you saved from that activity, you try to focus. It's not easy, I understand. You just try. One day you won't be able to do, second day you won't. Bro, she texted me right now. Okay, try to solve your problems. Okay, try to solve your problems then. Okay, so what buffers? Allocates automatic storage on the current thread stack that is valid until relic sort returns. Because the allocation size depends on n very large arrays, for example, n is greater than or equal to 1 crore, 1 lakh, whatever, can blow the stack and crash the program because application size. Allocation size, not application size, my friend, allocation size. Allocation size depends on n very large arrays. Because the allocation size depends on n very large arrays can blow the stacks. Correct automatic storage on the current thread stack that is valid until result returns. Okay. Okay. Finding the maximum key. Unsigned m, max element, nums plus n. Finding the maximum key. STD max element header algorithm returns a iterator pointing to the element with the largest signed value in the array. You then assign the value to an unassigned, implicitly converting a signed integer to an unsigned type. If negative numbers are present, the cast will reinterpret the bit pattern, turning, for example, -1 into da da da. If you need to sort negative keys, you must change the radix algorithm or bias key the first. Yeah. How many radix rounds m round will we need? Constant m round STD max 1 in 31 minus count 0 m plus bit shift divide by bit shift. So STD count L0 C++ 20 bit that counts leading 0 bits in unsigned value m. For a 32-bit unsigned, the result is in 0 to 32. 31 count L0, the index 0 based of the most significant set bit in m. If m is equal to 0, this evaluates to -1. So the whole expression is wrapped with STD max 1 to force at least one pass. B shift. Hello Deviksha Agarwal, how are you? After a long time. I hope you are having a good Sunday. Use a supplied constant. How many bits you process per radix pass? For example, if you intend to bucket on 8-bit, use bit shift 8. Okay. (31 minus count L0), the index 0 based of the most significant set bit in M. If M is equal to 0, this evaluates to -1. So the whole expression is wrapped with STD max 1 da 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 to force at least one pass. Bit shift. Use a supplied constant. How many bits you process per radix pass? For example, if you intend to bucket 8-bit. Okay, this is fine. Okay, this is fine. Bit plus bit shift, then divide by bit shift. So integer trick to compute Ceilian division. Example, suppose m is actually I have reduced my YouTube screen time. That's why I came here after a long time, I guess. That's a good sign. I'm happy for you. I hope you are having a good life after reducing your screen time. Suppose m is equal to 173. Binary is 0b, bit width 8. 10101 for nibble radix. Then count 0173 24 31 minus 24 equal to 7. Definitely I can now concentrate on my studies. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. You know, you should do that. You should focus. That's what I was teaching someone on my stream, that it's very hard to remove distractions from our life, but once you remove, you feel extremely good and you feel that you are moving. You know, if you have too many distractions, you feel like you are stuck. But if you remove distractions, you start feeling like you're moving towards your goal, your aim, or whatever in your life, and you feel like you are inching towards, you know, like you are going forward. You feel that. Count 0173 most significant bit index 31 minus 24 7 7 plus 4 11 11 by 4 2 integer division 2 radius passes. So I'm round is to double buffering pointers. current input array, current output array, bool swap false. So it's a bool. During each pass, you read from in, scatter into buckets and write to out. Swap the pointers, swap in, out, toggle swapped. At the end of all passes, if swapped, copy in plus n nums. This ensures the final sorted result ends up in the caller supplied nums array regardless of whether the number of passes is odd or even. This ensures the final sorted result ends up in caller supplied nums array. I'm still not able to understand this, regardless of whether the number of passes. Okay, important pitfalls and suggestion. Negative numbers, unsigned casts make them look enormous. It's 32-bit integer radix or whose component trick or bias a stack overflow. Crashes at runtime when n is large. N is not large here, I guess. What the hell is in here? I don't know. Okay, so my output is but why do we do that? I will need to watch. Sorry, but I will have to watch. Kind of. What kind of? Working. Cool. What is it then if it's not content? It's related to, I'm back, welcome back. It's related to my work, which I have never showed on my live stream. It's completely different thing. It's a separate thing. People confuse it with, oh, he's grinding because his content. I'm grinding because I'm consistent. I'm streaming every single day. Okay, that's grinding. It's hard for anyone to stream every single day. Okay, I'm streaming from last, I would say, 9 months now. I started in November, December, and then this is 7th month. Yeah, 8 to 9 months. Is that a chat? Okay, nope. Solve coding problem in live and in track, that would be good, I think. Everybody's doing that, so I don't want to mix up two things. I cannot. Vibe coding is a different thing, but I am considering your suggestion, but it's not something which I would do at this stage. Probably at later point of time. Currently, it's not my primary focus, but I will definitely consider your suggestion. Thank you so much. I hope you can hear me, right? How is my audio? Okay. Below is the focus for the way it is used. I cover the correctness, but a few suitable edge cases you may want to tighten up. Positive only keys. Let's see, match players put the definition non-negative. Your least significant relics. Hi, Burnout. Welcome to my stream. What's going on? Nothing. I'm just reading my things. What's going on at your end? Yo, Batman is also in. How are you, Batman? Long time. Yeah, you joined after a very long time. I am streaming every single day. You can't complain. You got a new health tracker. Yeah, I have a health tracker and smartwatch as well. So yeah. What's the time there? It's 7:14 p.m. It's been a long time, by the way. I have hit my new PR in bench press. It's 120 kg. Awesome. Awesome. I would love to rejoin gym and have some of my own PRs, but life is not allowing me to start my gym. I mean, start my gym in the sense, start going to gym. Looks like you got monetized. No, where? Who told you? I'm way behind in my monetization journey. It's already 9 months till I'm grinding, and I'm somewhere around 700 watch hours. So minimum for at least super chat is 3000 watch hours, and for normal monetization it is 4000 watch hours. I haven't hit. Bro, then what's that thing beside me? That purple thing. What? Which purple thing? Oh, you're talking about the rank. YouTube started ranking the chat, so they are calling it fans. So if you're chatting very frequently on my stream, you'll be my first ranked fan for this stream. Hey again, welcome, Record Beater, welcome. How are you today? How is your Sunday going? Goodbye, sir. Have a nice life, dude. Goodbye. Thank you so much for joining. Me and my friends started a new channel and we got good amount of views randomly. That's nice. Enjoy. May you have the best life. Thank you so much, Record Beater. May you beat loads of records. Hi Crazy Deep, welcome. Like per short view, we are getting 1.2k minimum per day. Yeah, shorts. Shorts is boom market. It's easy market for any new creator because if you create shorts, you'll get more views. There are high chances you get monetized, and then if you put a long video, there are high chances you'll get some audience already build up for your videos and things like that. Okay then bro, bye. Nope, it's not. No, really, it's a easy market. 1,000 views are easy, seriously, I'm not kidding. If you have my own channel, if I have my own channel, okay, I hardly get views in shorts. In shorts, so I was reading some YouTube article long back, and they mentioned like if you put a four, if you put 4 shots in a day, you will have very high chances that you'll get monetized in 6 months. I have chosen the wrong path. I mean, my path is toughest. Live streaming and getting views is not easy because you need multiple people joining the stream and you need to be consistent because watch hours is like, if you stream long enough, then only it will be considered. If you are streaming for 5-10 minutes and nobody is joining, then it's waste of your time, effort, and YouTube also won't like it. So, but if you are consistent in 4 shots a day, you'll hit a jackpot probably 2 months, 3 months, I don't know, because one of your shots will do extremely good, probably millions of views, and then you are like, you're monetized. Bro, if you're live streaming in YouTube, then it has to be random brain rot shit to get good views and subs. You're right, but I am not doing that. I just talk to people. What should I do? I should go naked outside? No, I can't do that. I can be creative in answering and doing something, but I don't want to go nasty at this point of time. Yours is informative, so yeah, I know. Different kinds of categories, different people. I'm not in a rush to become famous and things like that. I'm not in a rush to get monetized. I like conversations, and that's the reason I'm doing live stream. I hate those brain rot shit. Yeah, exactly. I am sensible enough that I want to add value to people who are watching me instead of making them making them you know uh, badly entertained or entertained negatively. Okay bro, see you. Where are you going, bro? You joined after a long time. Studying. Okay, go. Thank you so much for joining. 11 says, yeah. Go study, bro. Thank you so much for joining. Cool. I choose information practice. Cool. Bye bye. number of passes. So const int m round 1 int 31 minus sum std count of 0 and plus bit shift. Okay, this expression is mathematically equivalent to ceiling bit width and bit width shift, where bit width m is equal to floor log 2m and plus 1, except when m is equal to 0. You already got the m0 case with standard max 1, so functionally it's fine. Okay, it's fine. It's way too hot here, man. Way too hot. Stable versus unstable. The implementation is stable because you iterate the input array backward when scattering. For int I n minus 1 I greater or equal to 0 minus I. If stability is not required, you can iterate forward. And one branch miss predicted loop. Memory safety and scratch buffer allocates 4 cross n bytes on the stack with large and will exceed with 1 minus 8 MB. Default thread stack on Linux. Alloca is also not defined by the This is crazy. This is learning a new thing in C++. Right shift of signed is defined for negative values. Arithmetic versus logical shift. Currently the input domain is non-negative, so no bug, but future caller may pass negatives. Memset plus partial sum, good choice. Both compile to vectorize instruction on model compiler, just include memory. Performance node, digits per pass. Per shift equal to 8 shift. Loop unrolling and prefetching client 17 plus GCC 13 plus already auto vectorize the inner histogram loop. Manual unrolling rarely helps unless the key distribution. Integration in match place complexity. Sorting both arrays dominates the runtime. Behavior on extreme inputs. If either vector is empty, the loops short circuit and you return 0. Correct. Okay, let's read the cleaned up version. Int n is equal to 256. Int mask equal to n minus 1. And bishop is equal to 8. Okay. Int nums int n, if n less than or equal to 1, return, because we are talking about positive numbers. And here I have vector buffered with safe heap scratch array frequency. Okay, determine number of passes. So for determining number of passes, we are taking max element. Let's understand what this max element is. Okay, without understanding I won't be able to proceed further. Okay, this guy is good. Sir, start uploading computer things. Computer things for upgradation of your channel. Computer things. What do you mean by computer things? Like how to build a CPU. Taking notes, basics of coding, how to use software, basics of coding. The problem is there is hell lot of channels already doing that. Why would someone learn from me? Okay, that's my biggest question. I should be offering something unique which is not already present in YouTube. Share your knowledge. Hi Sukh Kaur. Hi, how are you, Sukh? I hope you are doing well. I was thinking of, whenever I'm making some of my own projects or something, probably I should put on my. But the thing is, it's too saturated domain, and now it's becoming worse. Like people will go to AI for learning things. Then, if there are some difficult things which I can teach, then probably I would give it a thought. But yeah, I've noted your suggestion. Give it a try first. See, now you're stepping back. I am not stepping back. You're. I'm not. I just got an idea. Can I say it? Yeah, sure. I'm not stepping back. I already thought about it, okay? It's just that I need to consider where my channel is going, I need to put up a direction. Then people who are chatting with me right now, they are not like all coding people, so they won't be interested in my content anymore. So it's probably starting a new channel and putting some crazy coding projects or something like that is a good idea, where people are interested in just coding. So yeah, say it. Come on, say. I'm waiting. So I went to a barber shop and it has a lot of customers there. So it took me 2 hours to get a haircut. Wow. Wow. You spent 2 hours to get a haircut? Okay. Finally, a good weather after a very long time. So my plan is to build an app that will register the saloons showing the rows of customer and people will go accordingly. It's a good idea, but it it has a logistic issue, like you have to ask every barber shop to sign up in your app and put data constantly. It's like a Swiggy app, they have to register the restaurants in the app, and when they're available they put it in the app. Oh, I'm available now, I'm offering these many dishes, this is my menu. Okay, yeah, I have to ask every other saloon there. Yeah. What if you don't need to ask anyone and then you can solve this problem? Catch is there only. Let's say you use some satellite image like Starlink, and you find out, okay, there are like 6 people in the queue now. How? Or something else, I don't know. Satellite image is too huge for no, it will be too expensive. Exactly, too huge for a saloon problem. That's what I was trying to say. um what else you can do? Probably you can use people's phone with, but they will have to permit. I mean, firstly you need people to install your app, and then they'll permit the location. And once they permit the location, as soon as they are in the saloon, you can consider. But no, people can go to saloon for their kids as well, right? So it's a different problem, you know. It's a logistic issue. Like, we can make the seats and the waiting seats as the input device. Yeah, but how? Then you have to change every saloon's seats. We need to build that and conquer the chair market. It's too difficult, but possible. Yes, I agree, it's possible. It's just that it requires a lot of logistic things, you know. You have to enroll a lot of saloon guys, and it's not easy to enroll everybody. They will be like, why would we give you my information? You know, how many people are there? It will exploit them. Okay, it will exploit their competition. Let's say I am a saloon guy, barber guy A, okay, and I have just 5 people in the queue on Sunday morning, and I see barber guy B, he's having 12 people in the queue right now. He's earning more. He's my competition. Okay, so you are actually making all those data public. Okay, so it's a mess. It's a mess. If you can do it without barber's requirement, you know, I would say involvement, without barber's involvement, it's, if it is too generic, like how Google Maps does it, you know, they're not harming anyone, they're just telling traffic is too high on this route, traffic is okay in this route, traffic is not there, you can go on this road, you know. So if you can solve like that, then it's a good thing. Hence, it will save money, it will save time. Yeah, I agree. It's good for from the customer's perspective, the people like you and me who's going to barbershop. But you need to think from barber's perspective, because he's running the saloon. Okay, why would he give you the data which you need? He should be having some benefit in it, right? You have to give him some money or something, you know, some benefit. For queuing, you can't ask him to keep installing the apps and then putting the numbers in the app. What will he get out of it? Think from two perspectives. I was the customer only who wasted so much time, my 100 rupees, and my hair too. Yeah, I know. But whenever you are thinking from business or app perspective, you shouldn't just think about customers. You know, if there are two parties involved in your idea, you need to think about both parties. Because let's say I'm building something straightforward, which is for let's say I'm building a game. Okay, if I'm building a game, directly that game is going to go in kids' phones or somebody's phone who is liking the game, and they are going to play the game, so there is no second party involved. But if I'm building something where there are two parties or multiple parties required, I need to think from all the perspectives. You know, it's a good idea. See, I'm not against the idea. It's just that executing that would be a challenge, and that challenge is not at all related to solving a tech problem. It's solving a logistic problem, or asking everyone to sign up. What did you eat today? I had aloo paratha in the morning, and South Indian dish for the lunch, and in the evening I had pav bhaji. I ate sattu and apple. That's nice. Good. I am on a roll because I'm getting offered from restaurants in a very, very lucrative way. Okay, this is the first time I have seen this kind of offer, so I'm going to fully utilize it. And I'm trying to eat healthy. Like, I have ordered dosa. It's not super healthy, but there are no healthier options than that. Why? If you remember, I put up a title few days ago, 20 pounds off on 30 pounds. Okay, that's the offer I'm getting nowadays. So why would I, because if I go for a normal meal, it would easily cost me 8-9 pounds. Okay, but I'm getting like 6-7 items in 10 pounds. Yeah, exactly. And why would I waste that offer? So I'm not going to cook for a few days, or probably whole week. I don't know. I'm just going to order. Let's see. But the options are, not super healthy. Whatever I'm preparing, it's a bit healthy, I would say, because I can put lots of protein sources in that. I put paneer, I put soya, da da da. But they are having different options, so it's fine. Some I will consume my protein powder, and I will have this food, so it's fine for some days. It will save me a lot of time. Okay, nice to talk to you. I have to go for the project now. Okay, no problem. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye. Take care. How about this now? No, it's still not better. Okay, this is better. Yeah, this is better now. Yeah, this is better. This is way better. It will simply return, right? Okay, let's try. Okay, and I would say 110. Okay. Okay, I can just give a name and yeah, and I will print and I would love to print the code. Oh, okay. Okay, so what I can do is let's take okay std vector and I will give because I'm giving it here 1 2 3 4 5. Let's go and I'll remove this. And this should be auto and yeah, let's take auto. and number begin, number end. If this is done, okay, why can't I simply print this one? Oh, no, correct only. What am I doing? Oh, I see now. Okay, okay, okay. Perfect. Let's go. Still, there is a problem. I can't print M. Why? Oh, yeah, here it is. I was thinking why. Okay. Perfecty. This is how you understand, you know. Now, this part is clear to me. Okay, completely clear to me. Okay, let's go. And then there is, this is how you understand this, right? Yeah. Let's go for this one now. Okay, this is nice. Let's go. Okay, I'm printing anyway here, right? So let me just copy. Wait. Copy and paste it over here, and I will remove this. I don't want to print anything, so I will just say numeric limits. Okay, and once I will use int. Okay, and then I will have to use either max, and then I should be using this, yeah, and here also this, yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go. It's not that easy. It's not that hard either. Oh, why it is printing 1? Oh, my bad. My bad. Okay. Perfect. What if I remove Max completely? Okay, I can't do that. Oh, so it's a function, yeah? Okay, gotcha. Gotcha, brother. Thank you. Oh, unsigned. And digits. Oh my fuck. Okay, let's try one more thing. Oh yeah, here. Let's search. How many people in UK use air conditioner at their house?
Fewer than 5% of homes in the UK have air conditioning.
How many people in India uses air conditioning at house?
Only about 7 to 13% of Indian households currently use air conditioning. However, this number is projected to increase significantly in the coming decades.
Okay, this is a good thing to learn. And mm, blue something. Blue star is there. Oh my god. God. अरे भाई. Oh big. Oh. am looking at something which is already in uppish. Okay, so let's see. I will just watch. I will just watch. Let me create an alert for 1880. This is a good number every time. Okay, and downside if it is coming 1550, then also I'll be interested. Perfect. And what else is there? Let's see. Why they are throwing this guy to me? This looks bad. This looks extremely bad. But I would be interested at this point. Okay, at this point. How can I... Sorry. Bye.